Mr. Sinha, what are the benefits of AI-powered smart mobility?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bakshi, for elaborating so many use cases. So precisely, question is AI-powered smart mobility. You know, mobility has got basically 5 elements to it. First is there is a vehicle, there is a driver, there is a path on which it is flying. After these 3, there are other vehicles, or both animate, it could be inanimate as well. Those elements are surrounding it, that is the 4th. And finally, there is a system of traffic, there is a system of movement that is guiding the entire movement. So practically these are the 5 precise elements of mobility, and you can by yourself identify that how does lot of data understanding, lot of IoT applications, blockchain applications, and finally artificial intelligence could be helping you in each of these 5 distinct areas. To start with, let's say driver. The driver he has to be alert. His knowledge has to be top class. He has to know that what position is that of the routes, which shortest route he should be following. Even for that matter, the customer or the person whom he is carrying, they should also be knowing the same thing. Let's see the vehicle. Mr. Bakshi rightly mentioned about the predictive maintenance. The vehicle must be able to give that alert to the driver that I am not in fine fettle. It's time for me to go back to my repair shop for maintenance. And why only that? Even at the manufacturing stage, it needs to have certain features embedded to it so that it is in sync with the artificial intelligence concepts, and it is able to take the entire mobility safe, affordable, accessible. Now finally the path, about the routes we mentioned, and the system of working. What system should be there? Could it be a regimented, standardized, fixed system of working the way we have today? Or should it be a kind of dynamic one, which in very few cities that has been experimented? Should not the entire signaling system keep on updating itself based on AI inputs? So these are the 5 areas in which of mobility in which you see that artificial intelligence has a great role to play. And artificial intelligence, along with the allied concepts, as they are the biggest kind of gift, they are the biggest disruption that has taken place during the time. It is also for us to ensure that we take assistance from them without a kind of falling into the trap of the negative externalities. If you see some of the international best colleges where these technologies are practiced well, for example, UC Berkeley, for example, then the class of their data analysis, that has got the maximum. I mean, if you are in the class, you can see people even sitting on the floor. And the range of students are from, say, 25-30 to 65-70. That is the range. In fact, half of the class appears to be older than the professor itself. So precisely this artificial intelligence is going to have lot say in the entire mobility paradigm. And as again I'll refer, Mr. Bakshi mentioned about the safety part of it. He mentioned about the number of accidents. In fact, in the just NXG next door, there is a Supreme Court committee that is going into all the details that how precisely the safety standards in mobility could be enhanced, they could be raised. And there also they are thinking that how exactly, if I had opportunity to interact with them, that how precisely more and more technological interventions of this new generation technology could be brought in so that the movement becomes safer and the loss of life could be reduced to the bare minimum. Yes, thank you.